Hi everybody, we're at Country Music Expo here at the Indiana State Fairgrounds. I've got Kevin and Jim with me. I think Jim's wearing Mimi's shirt today.
Yes. Hey, this young couple here just got married.
And they just got married last night.
And they're having their honeymoon here.
Now, can you tell us? You met on our Dateline. Yes. Why did you choose to have it here with us instead of on a cruise ship somewhere?
Well, we're going tomorrow night after we leave.
Okay.
But because we've been on the next Dateline, we're such fans.
How sweet is that?
You guys.
Aww. Can you kiss your bride?
Can I kiss the bride? Can I kiss the bride?
What a bad way to start the marriage.
That's right.
Jim, will you kiss the bride? Thanks, guys. Have a great time.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Would you believe it? Too.
It's like the Bahamas. Everyone comes over their honeymoon.
Hey, Jim, listen up. This couple right here just got married Wednesday. Is that right? And you're having your honeymoon here?
Yeah.
Well, congratulations. Did you kiss your bride?